Momentum enhancement discovery. Sometimes the most incredible discoveries happen when your experiment works too well. The momentum enhancement discovery from DART's impact wasn't just a pleasant surprise, it was a complete game-changer that sent shockwaves through the planetary defense community. When scientists analyzed why Dimorphos got knocked around like a cosmic pinball instead of just gently nudged, they uncovered physics that Hollywood couldn't have written better. The secret ingredient? That spectacular debris cloud wasn't just pretty space fireworks, it was functioning as an improvised rocket engine, blasting material away from the asteroid and creating additional thrust that multiplied the deflection effect beyond anyone's wildest dreams. This momentum enhancement effect revealed something extraordinary about how kinetic impactors actually work in the real universe versus computer simulations. The ejected debris acted like exhaust from a rocket, pushing Dimorphos in the opposite direction with tremendous additional force. It's like throwing a baseball and having it somehow gain speed mid-flight. Completely counterintuitive but absolutely real. The 26-fold multiplication of expected results meant that future planetary defense missions could potentially redirect dangerous asteroids using much smaller spacecraft than previously thought necessary. Scientists realized they had witnessed something that could revolutionize how humanity approaches asteroid threats. Instead of needing massive, expensive missions to deflect city-killer asteroids, relatively modest spacecraft could potentially do the job thanks to this newly discovered physics phenomenon. The universe had just handed humanity a cosmic cheat code for planetary defense, wrapped up in the most successful space crash in history.